What if the compliment she remembers tonight isn't, "You're beautiful"? What if it's something she's never heard from another man before? Most compliments focus on appearance. They sound nice, but they disappear quickly because she has probably heard them hundreds of times. A powerful compliment does something different. It makes her feel noticed, not just for how she looks, but for who she is. And today, I'm giving you 3 compliments that can create that feeling. But there's one important rule. Don't use these as tricks or manipulation. Say them only when you genuinely mean them. Authenticity is what makes a compliment powerful. The first compliment: there's something different about the way you think. Notice what this does. You're not talking about her hair, her body, or her clothes. You're recognizing her mind. If she has a unique way of looking at problems, telling stories, making decisions, or seeing people, point that out. Why does it stand out? Because most people notice what is visible. Very few take the time to notice how someone thinks. And when you recognize something personal and specific about her, she may start asking herself, what exactly did he notice? That creates curiosity, and curiosity makes conversations memorable. But don't pretend to be mysterious just to keep her thinking about you. If she asks what you mean, tell her honestly. The second compliment: you have a way of making people feel comfortable around you. This one goes much deeper than saying, "You're attractive." You're telling her that her presence has an effect on other people. Maybe she makes everyone laugh. Maybe she listens without judging. Maybe people naturally open up when she's around. Whatever it is, recognize the quality you actually see. Everyone wants to feel that they matter. So when you acknowledge the positive impact someone has on the people around them, the compliment becomes personal. And here's the key: be specific. Instead of giving a generic line, explain what she does that makes you feel that way. That sounds far more genuine, and it shows that you were actually paying attention. Now the third compliment may be the most meaningful of all. Something tells me there's a lot more to you than most people realize. Think about that for a moment. You're not claiming she is perfect. You're saying you sense depth in her. Maybe she has goals she rarely talks about. Maybe she has overcome difficult experiences. Maybe she has a side of herself that she only shows to people she trusts. When you notice that depth, you're recognizing something beyond the surface. And that is what makes a compliment memorable. But remember this: the goal isn't to make someone emotionally dependent on you. The goal is to make someone feel genuinely appreciated. So don't memorize these lines and repeat them to every woman you meet. Listen, pay attention, notice something real. Then put that observation into your own words. Because the most powerful compliment isn't the cleverest sentence. It's the one that makes someone think, "He actually sees me." And if you want to build attraction that lasts, don't focus on saying the perfect words. Focus on becoming the kind of person who pays attention, listens deeply, and makes others feel valued. That is far more powerful than any pickup line.